I'm Padma Srinivasan. I'm applying for the National Award for Teachers instituted by the MHRD. The textbook is an important part of the student's education process. It is an essential resource for the teacher as well as the taught. It is used as a standard information source in order that the disparity of learning is ironed out. The teachers draw abundantly from this source and make the lesson and the concepts interesting and easily understandable to the student in the classroom. For a variety of exposition, this textbook becomes a base. The author of any textbook needs to have a thorough insight and knowledge, not only about the needs of the children, also he needs to devote time, complete attention to the details so that the textbook is comprehensive and suits the requirements of the modern learner. The author needs to keep in view the overall curriculum that has been prescribed by the board. I've always worked very hard towards teaching my students innovatively, and I have given real life examples in my various scripts that have been presented here about the way in which I have made my subject interesting to the students. It was one such moment that I realized the importance of a comprehensive textbook encompassing certain areas where I felt a lacuna existed. I wanted to draw from my rich cultural background and incorporate certain details which made my lessons interesting to the students, not only for my own students but to the student community at large. I also wanted to make a difference in the pedagogy which is being used by teachers in classes, and I wanted to incorporate it in my workbooks. The process of writing a book was initially in spurts, but it gained momentum as I started feeling the need for it increasingly, and the first book that I started writing was the Class 12 Question Bank, which remained very close to my heart because it was a labor of love. It was meant to support the students of history studying in Class 12 and as an elective subject in the English medium. And the textbooks were written in a manner that they were very difficult to use for a young learner. The history textbook always have been very difficult to read for the children. The language used is so high-flown that it is very difficult for a child to actually understand it at one go. They need the interpretation of the teacher in the classroom. And this question bank did that job. It made things clear for them from the point of view of the board-going class. The children were able to use it very easily, both the ones who wanted to do extremely well and those who just wanted to prepare for the exam and get through it. The CBSE Heritage Quiz is a resource book provided by the CBSE for those who are preparing for the annual CBSE Heritage Quiz. This is a unique book because it is one of those books which tells you about the heritage of India, a lot of facts and figures about it, but also about protecting and preserving the valuable assets of the country. And it gives a sustained motivation to the students to keep on learning more and more about heritage, and it is a very, very useful book indeed, and a unique one at that. And I was a part of it, and I'm really proud of that. The workbooks in history. It is a book that has been prepared with the students in mind and how I feel the students should be able to gain the skills which will um, help them in learning my subject, that is history. The textbooks, they just tell you about facts. To ensure that the child has a deeper understanding of the subject, that is, to make interpretations, to draw conclusions from whatever facts that have been presented to them, and also to find out about what are the skills that are required, that is, debating skills, the scholarly expositions, the discussions, the quizzing, and also the higher levels of understanding, and the get immersed in the subject, to understand how to interpret sources and so on. All of this have been given in these workbooks, which are prepared completely based on the curriculum of NCERT and projected by the CBSE, and they are in 3 volumes. Earth Alive is an environmental studies series which is primarily meant for the young learners of the primary school. So creating learning situations is very, very important for the young children. They have to be always taught in a particular context, and the definitions, the descriptions and so on will be found in every book. But to create situations for the children so that they will be able to construct their own knowledge, and they'll be able to interact with their surroundings and also talk it out with their elders, and particularly the teachers, was very, very important to me, and those have been nicely incorporated in these books. The book conforms to the NCERT curriculum, and it is totally in accordance with the learning outcomes that have been mentioned by the curriculum framework.